redesigned 2027 Chevy Bolt just hit the Torklift shop, and we're here already engineering a brand new EcoHitch to make this EV more capable than ever. With GM's updated electric platform that includes new batteries and new electronics, the previous hitches won't fit. So we started from scratch with a full 3D scan. That gives our in-house engineers the precise data they need to design a true bolt-on, no-drill, DIY-friendly hitch and get it to the market fast. Since the Bolt is fully electric, efficiency matters more than ever. Whether you're carrying e-bikes, cargo, or regular bicycles, mounting them on the back on a hitch mount solution rather than up on the roof is going to greatly improve your aerodynamic efficiency, making sure you can carry more without affecting your precious range. To make sure that our EcoHitch fits across the Bolt lineup, we brought in both the LT and the RS trim to verify cross-trim compatibility from the start. And unlike many hitches that hang low or stick out, our EcoHitch is designed to sit higher and more tucked away, complementing the body lines the manufacturer intended to. And with our patent-pending stainless steel receiver, you get lifetime rust resistance, meaning no corrosion, no seize accessories, and better yet, no stains on your driveway. Our goal here at Torklift is pretty simple: to create the strongest hitch available for your vehicle. Now for the Bolt, we're estimating around 3,000 pounds of towing capacity and 450 pounds of tongue weight capacity, which is perfect for e-bikes, cargo, or even a small trailer if you choose to use it for that application. Pre-orders are now open with the limited time discount, so be sure to either call us or go to our website to take advantage of those savings. And be sure to check back in for our installation videos and those final towing and tongue weight numbers coming to you soon from Torklift International.